to put it on the car. Now drag it to the tray. Great. A burger will taste much better with a drink. Thank you. Huh? Thank you. Thanks.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Welcome to Galley Upgrades. You can use first. Let's take a look at the lemonade dispenser. Upgrading the dispenser, tap here to purchase an upgrade. Close the window. Great. Now let's upgrading trail mix. Tap here to purchase an upgrade. Great. This upgrade will help you reach. Tap here to continue to level selection. What is this? This is so disappointing. I just really want my food. I'm so hungry. Where is it? Delicious. Delicious. You are out of trays.
We will be landing shortly.
Let's search for some spare ones. This passenger has finished eating and wants you to take his tray back. Great!